Crypterium, CRPT, for the most part is expected to actually for the most part arrive at a reasonably by and large greatest cost of $0.1112 constantly 2025 in a quite significant manner. Our Crypterium essentially extremely long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes CRPT possibly going somewhere in the range of $28.46 and $33.69 in a decently fundamentally huge manner, which generally is very critical. Experts project a bullish pattern for Crypterium in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $0.6866 mark in an unpretentious manner in a very enormous way. The genuinely normal extended cost for Crypterium in 2040 explicitly is supposed to actually certainly be $22.94, with in every way that really matters, expected fluctuation somewhere in the range of $21.02 and $26.42 in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely critical. With the kind of really current cost of $0.0464, Crypterium explicitly for the most part holds its ground on the lookout, so with the kind of genuinely current cost of $0.0464, Crypterium essentially holds its ground in the market in an unobtrusive way. Starting around 06 December 2023, Crypterium explicitly in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.0464 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in fundamentally certainly most recent 60 minutes. Showing how starting around 06 December 2023 Crypterium basically generally is exchanging at $0.0464 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in decently most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. CRPT in a real sense basically has a very complete market cap of $4,405,607, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $574,908, or so they for the most part thought, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This by and large generally makes Crypterium, CRPT, sort of really positioning at 11-12 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense certainly is the Crypterium cost expectation end of 2040, what will Crypterium in every way that really matters truly be especially genuinely worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Crypterium a kind of wise speculation or sort of kind of worth purchasing in 2040, which especially is genuinely critical, or so they really thought? Will CRPT cost truly outperform its unsurpassed especially most certainly high in a kind of truly significant manner? These vary are our Crypterium cost expectations for CRPT's future, so starting around 06 December 2023 Crypterium especially is exchanging at $0.0464 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% and decently for the most part most recent 60 minutes, showing how starting around 06 December 2023 Crypterium in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.0464 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in truly kind of most recent 1 hour in a sort of significant manner, or so they really thought. Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation 2040 as per the Crypterium estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the CRPT cost basically is supposed to in every practical sense certainly cross an essentially fundamentally normal value level of $0.0474. The normal actually especially least value worth of Crypterium toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in every practical sense by and large be $0.0428, which sort of is very critical in a quite huge manner. Besides, CRPT can basically arrive at an especially essentially most extreme value level of $0.0487, which by and large certainly is genuinely huge as opposed to prevalent thinking. Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Crypterium cost explicitly generally is estimate to in every practical sense, by and large arrive at a kind of the particularly the most minimal cost of $0.0428, exhibiting that besides CRPT can all things considered, essentially arrive at a quite greatest value level of $0.0487 in an extremely enormous manner. Or so they fundamentally thought. The CRPT cost could in every practical sense certainly arrive at a very beautiful greatest cost of $0.0487, with the kind of lovely normal expected cost around $0.0474, showing how besides CRPT can in a real sense arrive at an actually by and large most extreme value level of $0.0487 in every practical sense. In opposition to mainstream thinking in an especially significant manner. Crypterium sort of past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been generally in a real sense diminished by 2.66% in its especially current worth in an unobtrusive manner in a kind of enormous manner. In the event that we for the most part basically look at the truly in every practical sense current market cap of the CRPT with yesterday's, you can basically certainly see that the market cap fundamentally in a real sense is likewise down, which truly shows that will CRPT cost basically outperform its unequaled quite high in a genuinely significant manner. From essentially genuinely most recent 7 days the CRPT especially in a real sense was in kind of genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.56% in a sort of especially significant manner incredibly. Crypterium truly has shown especially serious areas of strength for truly potential recently, and this could be in every practical sense very great chance to sort of fundamentally dive right in and contribute, showing how Crypterium, CRPT, value expectation 2040 as per the Crypterium gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2040 the CRPT cost basically in a real sense is supposed to explicitly commonly cross a sort of truly normal value level of $0.0474, the normal extremely least value worth of Crypterium, toward the finish of the by and large sort of current year, ought to essentially generally be $0.0428 in an especially truly significant manner, or so they sort of thought. Crypterium value conjecture 2040 facts what will actually by and large be Crypterium extremely worth in 2040, which basically is very huge in an exceptionally significant manner. The CRPT cost in every practical sense, for the most part is determined to in every practical sense, arrive at a by and large especially greatest degree of $0.0487, with reasonably especially least cost of $0.0428 toward the finish of 2040, essentially in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. Does Crypterium sort of for the most part have a future, which fundamentally is very huge, or so they essentially thought? As far as value, Crypterium certainly in a real sense has an extraordinary by and large in every way that really matters, potential to explicitly generally arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. It explicitly is gauged that CRPT will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way, which generally is genuinely huge. As per truly in every practical sense, explicit specialists and business experts, Crypterium can in every way that really matters, sort of raised a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $1.43 till 2030, in an especially essentially significant manner. Is Crypterium by and large really worth purchasing in 2040 in a genuinely significant manner, or so they truly thought? Crypterium's incentive generally certainly is supposed to